Man, it's a rainy day in Georgia today. It's a lot different than it's been. Usually it's been so dry. All my plants have been suffering. The irrigation can't quite keep up. It has been raining good. It's a nice day for a nap, isn't it, Thor? I'll walk out on the front porch, take a few more pictures of the front. Man, it's raining. We needed it. Daughter's gonna sleep all day. Pan, you gonna sleep all day? How about you, Thor? You gonna sleep all day? Man, that sounds like a good idea. Nothing else to do. Okay, now I'm sitting on the front porch. This is the front yard. Swamp sunflower just starting to go. My dang truck is in the way. Firecracker vine right there on the porch. My begonias over there are suffering behind my truck. Lantana is suffering over there too. Rebecca is about bloomed out. My phone's going off.